Aloha everybody, welcome to Maui Karen Ann. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for commenting, and thank you for watching. To subscribe, you just hit subscribe, then when the bell comes up, click on the bell, and every time I do a video, you'll be notified. I'm using depth spackle, molding paste, and a color white. I didn't like the small pick comb on this edge, so I went and got a bigger comb to make it more outstanding, and I think it's a better composition this way. Here I decided to paint gold in the center, and it's really fun to do. It's a little tricky with some of the edges and ledges to get everything covered, but it's a fun process. Okay, after the gold and the green had dried, the gold was, what can I say, ugly. So I decided that I was going to paint over the gold, and I used Folk Art Green Silk. That came out much better. It blends with the darker green, which is Artist Loft Metallic Leaf Green. So I think when you see the final dried product, you'll be happy with it. Here's the dried painting. I really like it, and all the information will be put on below.